Actually, it was a good game actually for RCB. Initially, they lost the wickets that costed us the match. Even the batters could have been batted well, seeing the conditions. So, especially the Sai Kishore has bowled very well. For RCB, actually, it was the move to get the impact player. Rashik Dar was a bad move. They would have bought in Liam Livingstone earlier in the bowling instead of Krunal Pandya. Already previous over he has gone for a lot of runs. Yeah, or else they would have impact for Suyanshu. He would have been bought actually, especially the way they bowled in the last couple of matches, right? He would have been a very good impact player rather than bringing Rashik Dar. The first match also he was not up to the mark in the bowling. So sometimes it happens, like as you say, always RCB, whatever it may be, win or loss, RCB. Sotru RCB, Gedru RCB, Satru RCB.
So as usual, RCB is lost. They are is going to lose, not yet lost. And nobody get offended, please. Yes. So yeah, it was nice. I thought they might win because of the last two matches they won, but then hard luck. Yes.
So are you disappointed?
Not really. It's I've
It's
already
part of the game, right?
I've already digested the part where RCB is never gonna win the.
So what do you think was the reason for this loss this time?
I don't think there was any reason. Everybody gave their good game, but still luck is not on our side. We can't help it. But still, RCB.
बहुत अच्छा है. मेरे को आरसीबी इतना पसंद है. मेरे दोस्त लोग बहुत मजाक उड़ाता है अगर ऐसा हार गया तो. फिर भी मैं हमेशा लॉयल्टी दिखाता हूँ. मेरे को बहुत पसंद आरसीबी. आई लव यू आरसीबी.
I just don't think you got enough runs on the board. I think, we lost too many wickets earlier. Salt didn't get a good start, and then Livingston did, nearly got us over the line, but yeah, it just wasn't enough runs.
Yeah, this was the first match in the Chinnaswamy Stadium. It was great, but I think we need better bowlers, I guess.
Do you think RCB can come back?
Yeah,
Do you think RCB can come back in this?
yeah, definitely.
The match was sadly Gujarat's. Our bowling was good, but batting was a little weak. We could have done better if Kohli would have stayed.
Okay, what do you think, is RCB can regain this?
RCB, they just have to play the next match. They can easily. They can win the next match easily. Isala Cup namde.
RCB is still top on the table.
RCB is still top on the table. We'll come back stronger next game.
So what do you think is the reason for today's loss?
I don't know. Probably bad luck.
Bad luck. So
Virat Kohli happens. We'll see about the next game.
We'll see, bro.
I think first mainly the batting started off as a pace pitch, so power play could have been much better. Our openers could have performed better, but I think it's only one game. We can still perform better. I came in with this.
Okay.
Not very, but slightly disappointing.
What do you think are the reasons for today's loss?
So we should win against MI in the next match. So hopefully we win against MI in the next match.
Do you have any suggestions?
Suggestions? No, RCB is playing very well, but today we just didn't do good in batting. That's it. Bowling was done very well.
But you still cheer for RCB?
Definitely.
This match.
Not too great. Not too. No.
Are you GT?
Not even GT, not even RCB.
Okay, so what's your take on today's match?
Maybe good luck next time.
For RCB.
Yes.
Oh, is it?
Okay, so what's your take on today's match?
Like, it was supposed to win by RCB should had to win, but unfortunately it's one. GT is one. So next match we might win.
What do you think are the reasons for this loss? Is there any reasons that you
No idea. Thank you.
No, they are in second. It's a good place. CSK is in 7th place.
Great, so do you think they can come back?
Yup.
We are big diehard fans of RCB, but the crucial turning point was when we lost the toss, we probably lost 50% of the match. So we could have won by setting a target of 220. Better luck next time. Isala Cup namde.
RCB team is a emotion. First thing is the emotion. First thing is the feeling. Virat Kohli is our favorite champ. Whether we win or not, that doesn't count. We enjoy the privilege of playing the cricket. Say, whoever they win, the efforts count. Whether it may be a Gujarat, whether it may be a Chennai, whether it may be anybody else, we love cricket. That cricket passion and emotion is bought by Mr. Virat Kohli.
We were just the best, no one can argue. So shush everybody else.
Today was good, but I think RCB could have played better.
What do you think are the reasons for this loss?
I mean, Kohli injured his finger, so.
That's almost at the end.
Multiple people lost their wickets easily to other balls.
So do you think they can come back in this?
Yes.
Come.
Oh my god, he was spitting on my face.
Next time, definitely Chennai Gadi Geltivi. So this is what I want to say.
Very good innings from Butler. He played really well, but like we should have taken early wickets early on. But anyway, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Next match is with DC. Let's hope for the best.
So I guess, yeah, as you said, like Butler innings was really good. So they outsmarted in every aspect, I would say. So let's hope best in the next match.
But what do you think are the reasons?
For the loss, I would say, like, the score was very less. We consider the batting pitch of Bangalore, so 170 was, it was not even the average par score. So like something like 200 or more than 200 would have been a good fight. And our bowlers did really good, but yeah, like, instead of having the Rasmith, who is that guy? Rashid Dar. So they would have substituted some other player. They would have gone for a spin, like Swapnil or something. That would have been a better option. Yes, definitely.
We are looking forward to April 7.
It's a good time. It's a good team actually this time. So
last 18 years, we still support for next 100 years also. Even if you win, if you lose, RCB forever.